Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making a new special series where we are going to learn about softwares which are useful outside our VFX course. Today we are going to see a program which converts low resolution images to higher resolution and make a clear image without losing quality using artificial intelligence. There are few options, but we will see the most user-friendly program here which runs in Windows easily. Its name is Topez Gigapixel. Google Topez Gigapixel first. The link will be their official website. Sign up here and then click on 30 days free trial and download the setup, or you can pay to purchase it. There are also some other options which Topez made, like denoise AI, sharpen AI, JPEG to RAW AI. Next we have to install the setup file. It will take some time and use approx 1.6 gigabytes data while installing. Now open and log in. You see this interface. You can import the input image, then scroll in or out for zoom in and out to interpolate the image to X, 4X, 6X or more. Click here and there is small button names .x. Press that and type in the number. I don't recommend anything more than 6X because it can result in crash or lag in your computer. Then the most important thing is, this program crashes frequently, so to slow down the processing, auto update should be turned off. Choose options like face refinement and image type. Here any image can be fixed here, natural and man-made both. Now select the percentage of noise suppression and blur removal, or you can choose auto detect settings, but personally, I don't recommend it. Then click on update on the right side to see the difference and press save to save the resulting image. Topez also made a plugin for this in Photoshop. You can try that too for fast results and no crashing. For more information I will post 1 or 2 tutorial videos in the description too. So that's it guys, hope you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the videos. Bye.